Hello everyone, welcome to the Cooler Reports. I'm glad to introduce our newest products, the two-door sliding door beverage coolers. And let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The overall size will be 47 inches in the length and 28 inches in the depth. And the 80.5 inches in the tall. Also, as you can see, they have a LED banner on the top. You can swap in the picture on it if you want. And the switches on the side. And the sliding door right here. And shuffle closed too. Have a lockers right here. And also we do having the digital controller at the bottom from Dexo brands. Pretty good. Now let's take a look at the inner side. Inner side will be 20 inches in the depth. And the overall has 50 inches in the height. And the length still the same, 43.5 inches. And also the units have the circling fan on the top, LED light strips on the side. Let's take a look at the back side. As you can see, the bottom right here, using the 110 US plugs right here, and the sticker right here coming with the EPL sanitation approvals, and the products diagram right here. Thank you for watching these videos. If you have more questions, just contact with us.